Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Voice Memo app and confirming microphone permission so the system can capture clear audio. Once done, position your device 3 to 6 inches from your mouth to reduce room noise. This improves clarity. Tap the red record button to start. Speak in short, intentional phrases so you can edit later. Make sure to pause between sections to mark natural breaks. If you see input level meters, watch them. Avoid peaks that turn red because they distort. Once you've recorded, tap stop and review the waveform visually to find mistakes or long silences. You can pause during recording to separate ideas, making each file focused. That simplifies later editing. Use the trim or split tools to remove errors and tighten pauses, and apply simple fades if the app supports them so edits sound natural. Make sure to rename the file with a descriptive title. This helps you find it quickly, and add tags or notes if the app lets you. You finish by exporting and sharing the memo. Choose the appropriate format and send via email, message, or upload to cloud storage so you have a backup. Once done, test playback on another device to confirm quality. If you need multiple recipients, create a share link or attach the file directly. If audio is muffled or missing, check microphone permissions, restart the app or device, and record a short test clip. Often a restarted app fixes permission glitches or stuck inputs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.